Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 Escape. Gas engines flex, tow, sip, and go with Ford Escape, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 2,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, navigation system, power liftgate, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, one owner, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.